Point of sale multi-image for a product helps user to configure multiple images of products in the point of sale. User can upload multiple images of the products with the name and the sequence of the image file. User can see and multiple images of the product in the point of sale screen. Then they can use a cancel button to cancel the wizard, and also they can use an add to the cart button to add the product into the cart. So let's start with the point of sale configuration for the multiple image. For a configuration part, we need to get into an settings. Under point of sale, you can see and allow multiple image checkbox to display and multiple images for the point of sale. Then let's get into an product and create a new product with a multiple image. For creating a new product or updating a new product, we need to get into the inventory. Under products, you can see an products. So from here you can see an office chair that I have updated. So in the product form view under sales tab, user can upload and multiple images with the name as well as the sequence of the image file. Okay. So once everything is done, let's get into an point of sale now. Let's open a new session. So once I have opened, you can see an image viewer image, that is multi-image viewer button is available in the point of sale now. Okay, let's click on that. So after click on the multi-image viewer button, user can see and multiple image for the product in the wizard, and user can see and cancel button for cancel the multi-image wizard, and also there is an add to the cart button to add the product into the cart. So you can see now the quantity will be added. So you can see the product quantity will be added and all the things will be updated automatically. So in this way we can make use of the point of sale multi-image for the products. Thank you for watching.